how I have made over 2,500 US dollars in 24 hours with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. So as you can see over here, I have had almost 300 clicks, 34 sales, and here is the results. Now, when it comes to Google pay-per-click ads, stay until the end of this video because I'm going to reveal to you exactly step by step behind the scenes what you have to duplicate or replicate in 2025 to get a similar results. Let's go straight into it. So as you can see over here, right, the biggest problem when it comes to affiliate marketing, even ClickBank, is that most of the gurus, whatever you see on YouTube or when you buy $3,000, $4,000 courses, right, most of them are teaching you outdated methods. Something like this, as you can see over here, right? What is the problem with this landing page? This landing page promoting weight loss supplement, right, doesn't get people into the solution state, not even in the problem state. They only drive them to curiosity state, meaning they're only curious enough. They see some ugly, weird image. They click on your Google ad, or on your ad, on your Facebook ad, YouTube ad, whatever you're using, and this is what they see. And the drop-off rate is huge. 90% of people don't buy. Why? Because again, it's not your fault. Maybe you follow the wrong method. There is no buyer's intent. For every sale, any sale to happen, my friend, you need buyer's intent. Now, the beauty of Google is this. Let me show you over here. Let me show you. Stay until the end, please. Because I'm showing you things that other people are not even revealing it to you in any courses or coaching programs. You can see one of the examples. For example, if you type in how to get rid of my back pain, there are people in solution seeking state. My friend, when someone goes to Google, they have a problem. They are aware. They are problem aware state. Very important. There are 5 stages of awareness levels. And if you don't know which level you are targeting with your language pattern on your pre-sale page, you can spend $1 million and get 0 sales because you are targeting the wrong audience. And again, it's not your fault. Okay, you can see solution seeking state. People, how to get rid of my back pain. Okay, if you're a manifestation niche or dating niche, same questions. How to get, right, the result, the outcome, or how to get rid of my lower back pain. You can see, right? They're already in solution seeking state. So your ad copy, it's simply on Google pay-per-click ads, you have to put the right keywords, positive and negative keywords. Now you don't have to learn all of this yourself. It can be done together with you and for you. But the most important thing is this. You see, we have demographics. For example, in this case, females, 35 to 65 years old. Great. We have to know the pain points. We have to know also buyer stage. Are they problem aware? Are they solution aware? Maybe they're totally unaware. With Facebook ads, meta ads, people are not in the solution state. No one goes to Facebook to buy the product. So you have to use different kind of psychology, marketing psychology in that way. Okay? Now let me show you this. Most people, what they do, right? You buy a course for 2,000, 3,000 US dollars, right? You create a landing page, write ad copy. They tell you, oh, create on ClickFunnels, set up Google ad campaign or Facebook ads. And then what happens next? Okay, those are some of the results you're getting also on Meta. But what happens next is this. The ads get rejected in most cases. And again, it's not your fault. The reason why is because you don't know what you don't know. With ClickBank, if you promote weight loss supplement, info products, manifestation products, dating products, it's all about private offers. I never promote offers with high gravity. Even though many gurus on ClickBank, they tell you go and promote products with huge gravity, meaning where many people are promoting the same product over and over again. I would never suggest you to do something like that. I never do something like that because I promote products with 0 gravity, even private offers that you cannot see in the marketplace. So once you work together one-on-one, then you are able to see actually what offers are proven to work. Why I promote offers that have a great, you know what? Let me show you what. Great upsell take rate. Upsell take rate is name of the game in 2025 because one person will buy $37 or $67 product, and in the same minute they're going to be offered an upsell for $250. I don't know, a package bundle, a weight loss supplements bundle of three pills, 3 different components. It's easy as that. Once you know, then you can spend, let's say I don't know, for example, $50 in a day on Google Ads, and you made back how much? Let's say 340 USD. So you made over $300 profit in one day. Now you see how this works. The bigger picture, when you stop and think about it, right? You can see, picture it, imagine better results and outcome for yourself. Okay? You can see how this works in this example, right? As I told you, why Google Ads and Facebook Ads are not the same, because the prospect, the person, took the active step to search for the keywords that lead the solution, right? So the prospect, the person, the human, it's already in solution seeking state, solution state. And that's why your language pattern must be different for male and females, high emotional states, low emotional states audiences. Okay? Criteria of markets, all this matters. Okay? And that's why you was not able to make money before, because if you already knew how to make money with affiliate marketing, you would have already done it. You would be even watching this video, but you don't. And it's not your fault. The reason why is because you don't know what you don't know. You don't know how to put it in the buyer's intent, how to get people in the solution state where the conversions and sales are happening. You don't know what language patterns to use and what offer is proven to work. And that's a missing component that you can avoid by having someone to share it with you and show you exactly how to do it step by step. Okay? Because this is you. Maybe you are braking. You have a handbrake in the car, right? But once you let it go, you allow someone to help you, ask for help, then you can finally have results, right? So once you ask for help, because nothing is hard, something only feels hard because you just don't know how to do it yet. But once you know it, once you see the results, your first 300, 200 euros in a day, then you know you can scale it from there, right? But for that to happen, you need to get an edge, having someone to help you along the way. You can see, right? All this, not we teach, but only show you exactly how this is applicable. If you have 20 minutes or 30 minutes per day, this is doable for you once ad campaign is up and running. Now, you have two choices, right? One of these is you can keep trying it alone, you can make excuses, you can save money. Let's be honest, if you're spending $5 a day on Starbucks coffee, you're spending almost $2,000 per year annually. So just stop and think about how much unnecessary expenses you have when you could be actually investing in yourself to start having results. So you can see there's the proven system and clarity. So it's up to you. Which choices are you going to take? What you can do next is connect with me over here on my Instagram. There is my email description, WhatsApp number. You can reach out to me, but only if you're serious, right? And if you really want to have this kind of results, as you can see over here.